we gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is how the hair came, and it is from a Amazon store by the name of MHYO. Included in the package is their card, which is showing you how to take care of the hair. Also included in the package is the stocking cap and some lashes. This is an ordinary cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and a comb in the middle, and two combs on each side. There's no regret, we took things. This is how the hairline is looking, and it is pre-plucked, but you can go in and pluck the hairline to your own liking. I'll go right in and put the wig on so you can see how it is looking. And see how my arms hold you forever. This unit is big head friendly, so guys, you gotta go in and adjust to fit your head. I feel my dreams for us coming true. A space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean everything to me. Just looking at the hairline, I realized I needed the hairline to be plucked a little more, but time was against me, so I just gotta work with it just like it is. First, I'll go in and remove the excess lace. You walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I am cutting the lace in 3 so it is easier to lay. I'll be using the Got2b glue and the bedded spray to lay the unit. To be yours, vow to love you for the rest I dream. You walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. Dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest I dream. You walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and now I'll remove the lace. Vow to love you for the rest of my life. Yes, it's been a minute, so let's get down to business. I'll go in with the beaded spray to spray the part of the lace that is lifting.
And you told me to move on. I know I won't last long, 'cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you get away, and I'm mad while you're moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, I gotta say it.
I am tying the lace to make sure it is well melted.
Yes, it's been forever. No, we ain't seen together. Oh, I wish.
This is how the lace is looking, you all.
'Cause now you won't speak, and you told me let it be. You know I can't leave, 'cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong.
I'll be parting the hair in the center.
Get away, get away. And I'm mad while you're moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it.
I am going in with a hot comb to flatten the top of the hair.
Looking at you, stay away, stay away. And I'm mad 'cause you're really moving on, moving on. You're the one I need, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was wrong, I was wrong.
You know your girl gotta make some baby hairs.
Get away, and I'm mad while you're moving on, moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, gotta say, I gotta say, gotta say. I was wrong, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was now I'm looking at you, stay away, stay away. And I'm mad 'cause you're really moving on, moving on. You're the one I need, gotta say it, gotta say, I gotta say, gotta say. I was wrong.
I am going in with the water to spray the hair.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch, conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies.
I am adding the concealer to the parting space.
It into the worst of me, Mr.
I am using the Kira Care Walk Stick to get rid of the flyaways. Now I am going in with the Marc Anthony Curl Cream, which helps define the curls.
Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go home. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me.
This is a 13 by 4 pre-plucked wet and wave lace front wig. It is 16 inches. The density is 150. But guys, I honestly don't believe this unit is 150% density, especially in the front. But guys, you be the judge on this unit. The price is only $99. The unit does shed a little, so you gotta take that into consideration if you're going to get this unit. Also, it is big head friendly. It came pre-plucked, but you can go in and customize the units to your own liking. You can also go ahead and style the hair to the side without parting, or you can also do a side part and your unit will be looking fly, you all. So guys, if you're interested in this unit, the link is in the description down below. You can go to Amazon store and check MHYO and get this gorgeous unit, you all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
Got my word. too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move.